bestie. She's been with Glitz from day one, before even Glitz is here. So we are going to using a third step, which is the precision glue gels, and I just took the red needles off to make sure that you're not throwing it away. So this is purpose of it's really amazing. It help not only seals all of the metal pieces to keep it from getting tarnished, also it's going to between all the edges right here, crystal, or is edges between crystal and frame, and or crystal and charms, or between the frame and frame, or the metal piece, to keep it away from catching on the clothes, fabrics, and on the hair from the clients. So I'm checking around. If you feel scratchy, then you're gonna squeeze it in, and every time you're gonna use just how much you're gonna use. You see that how much I'm using? Just that much. It's really barely seeing it because it's falling down here. It's a lot, so you want it using a little. You don't want to use too much. Little go a long way. And then of course, if you feel like you still want to go back again because it's still scratchy, and you make sure you flash key it first, and then you will go back and seals it again. Okay. Thank you so much, Dom. Let's get a great, awesome team. I can't wait for you to come visit us, Dom, after you have the baby. So you get to meet all of us in our team at both ABS shows and is Orlando shows. And Dom will see us really soon in the next coming shows. But you see all of us. We'll be FaceTime with Dom, and she's gonna show us the tutorials from the shows. So I'm gonna check, and then you can see that I seals even the metal parts right here to prevent from getting tarnished. And of course I'm check around with all of the edges right here. You feel scratchy, you're gonna squeeze it in. You don't squeeze it in first, you just squeeze it in. All right. Happy? We're going to gear it for 60 seconds.